In today's competitive digital market, it's more important than ever for businesses to stand out from the crowd with an engaging online presence. Step into the fascinating world of WordPress themes, where imagination and practicality meet to form the online persona of businesses. Learn the secrets behind the attractiveness of creating and selling WordPress themes for companies, where creativity and profit collide in a frenzy of opportunities. Number 1. Understanding the market and target audience. In-depth market research. To create and sell profitable WordPress themes, it is essential to first understand the industry. Investigate the current tendencies and demands of the WordPress theme market, paying special attention to industries that have both strong growth potential and regular website development needs. For their websites, e-commerce companies often look for visually appealing themes that incorporate online stores, while hospitality websites may place a premium on elegant designs that include booking capabilities. Find areas of specialization where your knowledge and interest overlap. This will improve the likelihood that you will be able to deliver messages that will be well received by the intended audience. Identifying customer pain points. It is crucial to have an awareness of the difficulties that prospective buyers may encounter. Talk to company owners and web designers to find out their pain points with current themes and the functionality they're missing out on. Having this knowledge at your disposal will allow you to create themes that speak directly to these problems and offer superior answers. Defining target audience personas. Build in-depth customer avatars to better understand your target audience. It's important to think about things like company size, industry, technological knowledge, and personal preferences in terms of design. When you have a firm grasp on who you're making this for, you can tailor your themes to meet their wants and needs from the get-go. Number 2. Designing the WordPress theme. Storyboarding and prototyping. Creating a storyboard for your topic and a prototype of it are the first steps in the design phase. Making a visual depiction of the theme's layout and user interface can be accomplished with the help of wireframing tools. This gives you the ability to experiment with various design aspects and make decisions based on well-informed user experiences. User-centric approach. Concentrate on designing with the end user in mind, giving ease of navigation, intuitive user interfaces, and distinct calls to action first billing in your priorities. Incorporate feedback from users into the process of designing your product, and run usability studies to determine where there is room for improvement. Accessibility and inclusivity. When you are creating, you should keep accessibility requirements in mind, so that your themes may be used by persons who have physical or mental impairments. To appeal to a wide range of users, it is important to incorporate accessibility features, such as text alternatives for image files, distinct color contrasts, and keyboard navigation compatibility. Number 3. Developing the WordPress theme. Clean and optimized code. To guarantee the functionality of your theme, as well as its security and compatibility with upcoming WordPress updates, you should emphasize writing code that is tidy, effective, and thoroughly documented. Ensure that you adhere to the best standards for code, such as employing the appropriate amount of indentation, commenting, and naming conventions. Theme customization options. Make available to consumers a wide variety of modification choices, which may be accessed through an intuitive options panel for the theme. Make it possible for them to modify the colors, fonts, layouts, and other components of the design without requiring them to have an understanding of coding. Include a variety of different demos and templates that have already been prepared to provide your customers with a head start when creating their websites. Internationalization and localization. Make sure that your ideas are prepared for translation and can be easily adapted to the linguistic and cultural norms of a variety of countries. Integrate functions for localization, which will make it simple for end users to convert the theme into the language of their choice. Number 4. Ensuring performance and optimization. Speed and performance optimization. To speed up the loading of pages and improve the overall performance of your website, you should optimize the code and assets of your theme. Caching should be enabled, compressed image assets should be compressed using image compression techniques, and CSS and JavaScript files should be minified to improve overall site speed. Responsive design testing. To guarantee that your theme behaves responsibly across a variety of devices and screen sizes, you should test it regularly. Take into account the potential for layout and operation concerns on a variety of platforms and devices. SEO-friendly structure. Create a framework for the theme that is beneficial to search engine optimization by concentrating on writing clean code and correctly arranging headings. Help businesses optimize their websites for search engines by giving them the chance to customize their meta tags as well as their open graph tags. 5. Compatibility and cross-browser testing. Browser compatibility. Make sure that your theme is compatible with all of the major web browsers, such as Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge, and Internet Explorer in their most recent versions. Take care of any inconsistencies or problems that can appear in a variety of browsers. Device testing. Make sure that your theme is put through thorough testing on a variety of devices, including desktop computers, laptops, tablets, and smartphones, to guarantee that it provides a consistent user experience across all of these mediums. When working with smaller screens, you should pay particular attention to aspects that are touch-friendly and responsive design. Number 6. Providing ongoing support and updates. Customer support channels. Give your customers access to several different support channels, such as email, ticketing systems, and a knowledge base. Make sure users' questions are answered promptly, and give consumers detailed documentation to aid them in properly configuring and personalizing their themes. Continuous improvement. Make sure to update your themes regularly to maintain compatibility with the most recent versions of WordPress and to patch any potential security flaws. It is important to take into account the comments and suggestions of users and to consistently enhance the features and functionality of the theme. Number 7. Licensing and copyright considerations. Licensing models. Define the license terms for your themes clearly and understandably, regardless of whether they are intended for single use, multiple uses, or are based on a subscription model. Make available a variety of licensing tiers, each of which can be customized to meet the specific requirements of individual customers. Copyright protection. Take the necessary precautions to prevent illegal dissemination of or piracy of your themes and intellectual property by putting in place the appropriate safeguards. You may protect your themes from being used inappropriately by other people by encrypting them or using licensing keys. Number 8. Marketing and promotion. Professional website. Construct a website that is both interesting and professional, and use it to display your theme collections. Include easy-to-navigate user interfaces, in-depth demos of the available themes, descriptions of the available features, as well as testimonials from satisfied customers. Content marketing. Leverage content marketing to attract new consumers and establish yourself as an authority in the area of WordPress themes. Publish enlightening articles on your blog, as well as tutorials and case studies, all of which are associated with the development and modification of WordPress. Social media presence. It is important to establish a solid presence on social media to actively engage with your target audience, post updates regarding your themes, and participate in conversations that are pertinent to your topics. If you want to increase the number of people who see your content, you should think about placing targeted ads on social media sites. Collaboration and networking. To cross-promote your products, you should form partnerships with influential WordPress bloggers, other theme developers, and other collaborators in the WordPress community. Participate in WordPress-related events such as conferences, webinars, and meetups to expand your professional network and make connections with new customers. Number 9. Pricing strategies. Value-based pricing. The value that each of your themes brings to clients should be taken into consideration when determining the prices of those themes. When deciding on pricing, it is important to take into account several different aspects, including the quality of the design, the features, the availability of customer care, and the frequency of updates. Multiple pricing tiers. Provide a variety of pricing tiers, each of which comes with its own unique set of features and support options. Customers are allowed to select a plan that caters to both their financial constraints and their particular requirements. Number 10. Building a reputation and brand. Customer testimonials and reviews. Displaying favorable customer reviews and testimonials on your website helps to develop credibility and confidence among prospective purchasers. If you want to further build the reputation of your brand, encourage happy consumers to post feedback and testimonials on your website. Consistent quality. It is important to always keep the quality level of all of your different themes at the same level. Maintaining the same standard of design, functionality, and performance throughout all releases is essential to establishing and maintaining a good reputation as a dependable theme developer. Thanks for watching. If you want more videos like this one, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on any of our